Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the compass on Xiaomi Mi Watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the home button to open the app menu. Then tap on the compass app icon. You will now need to follow the pattern on the screen to calibrate your watch. Once you have done that, you can use the compass like any other compass. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.